Flowers, chocolate, and romance. Those are the things that come to mind when it's Valentine's Day. But for members of Wolfpack and the Latvian Army, this Valentine's Day meant something completely different. 3rd Squadron 2nd Cavalry Regiment decided to share the love in a different way by doing some local community service here in Latvia. Dragoons arrived to help cut and stack massive logs for a local special needs home, which will provide warmth and energy through the intense winter and all the way into next year. After hours of sweat and cold, the soldiers finished their Valentine's Day mission and returned to continue training in Operation Atlantic Resolve. For the 2nd Cavalry Regiment here in Latvia, I'm Army Sergeant Kyle Burns.
Eagle X-ray, this is Eagle 1-1 approaching first line, right over.
1-1 X-ray, roger. Continue along MSR Tampa from phase line red to phase line green.